subsidy is passed on to consumers, the government would have to agree with the traders on a formula on various margins and costs. Such negotiations have failed as was expected. Further, if importation is to lower the market price of maize, the volume of imported maize would have to be massive. Reports indicate that not many importers took the offer. The net effect is that the price of unga has not come down. Instead, they are set to rise again. Because Kenya Kwanza essentially sees Kenyans as its beast of burden, even this darkening scenario has not been able to persuade the regime to seek middle ground on the finance bill. We state that for Azimio, this bill remains a big no and no. There is unanimity over its rejection. It is our position that this bill does not qualify as a just tax system. Yes, the country is ripe for tax reform, but this is not one of them. This proposal does not lead to distribution of income. It does not combat poverty. Instead, it seeks to manufacture and distribute poverty. This proposal does not spur economic growth nor generate wealth so that every family in this country can have opportunities. It traces and kills those opportunities. As the bill attracts the poor, it dismantles the middle class too. The Finance Bill 2023 unfairly punishes a diminishing middle class that is already suffering severe blows and can least afford to pay more taxes. The most tangible result of this bill will be the incorporation of more Kenyans into the ranks of the poor. Consequently, we state as follows. 1. We continue to demand a major surgery of the finance bill in the interest of the suffering people of Kenya.